So typically when we think of gross income, we think of our salary or our wages that we get from our employment. And for most individuals, this does make up the greatest portion of their gross income and is the most relevant piece and likely the one they associate with gross income. But it is important to keep in mind that gross income is not just your salary. Because remember, gross income is all income from whatever source derived, as except as otherwise provided. And our salary is very likely not our only source of income. There are other things that are included in gross income for taxation purposes. So here are some of those other things, some specific examples. The first one is alimony. If you went through a divorce and received alimony payments, as mentioned in the previous video, if your divorce was finalized before 2019, the money you receive is taxable and is included in your gross income. Now for divorces in 2019 and after, this is no longer the case, but for divorces before 2019, this figure needs to be included in gross income. Now another item included in gross income are awards, any form of awards that you receive. Bonuses too are counted towards gross income. So if your boss gives you a bonus as a reward for a good job done at work, that bonus amount is also added to gross income and is certainly taxable. Now if you have business income, right, if you own a business, most common one is, if you are a sole proprietor and you make income from it, this is referred to as, business income, and that business income also counts towards your gross income. Dividends is another one, and now this is a funny one. Gains from illegal activities is also counted as gross income. It's hilarious because the IRS is assuming that if you do something illegal, you'd still report it on your tax form. And why would you do that? You wouldn't want to incriminate yourself and report gross income on your tax forms that indicate you've broken the law. But the IRS is like, hey, if you're silly enough, I guess, go ahead and report that illegal income. It's also funny because it shows you how needy the IRS is, that they'd happily take your money. They don't care that you broke the law to generate that income. Hell, they just want your money. Anyways, gambling winnings is another component added towards gross income, and so is interest, like interest on a savings account, for example. Prizes like rewards is another example, and so are punitive damages. Now, punitive damages, this is money that you win in court when you file a lawsuit against someone for misconduct. And the idea here is that their behavior was irresponsible, and as the name punitive suggests, you, so to speak, punish them for that by demanding a lump of money from them. Now, that money that you get is included in gross income. Now, salary and wages, as we mentioned earlier, of course, that is also included, and so is severance pay, and so are royalties. Now, royalties, like if you wrote a book and receive a percentage of the sales in money, that's royalty, and that is included in your gross income. So this was just a list of common items you may experience in your life that will need to be included in your gross income, so you don't want to forget about it. Again, it's not just your salary and wages, but as we have seen here, a lot more than that encompasses your gross income.